Today, we're introducing two new foldables that you will love, starting with Galaxy Z Fold 3. Check out that gorgeous design. Doesn't it look amazing? The Z Fold 3 is stylish and sleek and weighs less than your morning cup of coffee. And just like your coffee, it helps you take on the day. It's been 2 years since we launched our first Z Fold. And in that time, we've learned that Z Fold consumers use their cover screen about as often as they use their main screen. So we made sure you get the best experience on both displays. When closed, Z Fold 3 looks and works like a standard smartphone. So you can do all the things you already enjoy, like messaging your friends or playing your favorite game on the way to meet them, all on the cover screen. You can glide across your screen as you scroll through with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, you'll be able to see clearly, even when you're outside on a sunny day. These high-quality visuals continue on the main screen, which has the same refresh rate and dynamic display, resulting in a seamless experience as you open and close your Z Fold 3. Most people are happy with their standard smartphone experience. So why change a good thing? Well, when closed, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 gives you the full benefits of a regular smartphone. But when you unfold, it brings you so much more. At 7.6 inches, Z Fold 3's main display delivers a tablet-like experience, all on a cinematic screen. Thanks to our latest innovation in display technology, Eco Square, the visuals are brighter with power efficiency. You get a dynamic display with less battery consumption. This powerful main display is also an immersive one. It provides you with an uninterrupted viewing experience so you can stay fully engaged with your favorite content. Sometimes your camera's punch hole creates a blind spot on your screen. So, for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, we've changed the pixel array using the minimum amount to increase the viewable area. Introducing the world's very first foldable with an under-display camera. This will transform how you experience content. When you're using the camera, like when you're unlocking your phone and taking a photo, or video calling, the punch hole is visible and the camera can see out. When you're not using it, you can game and watch videos on a truly immersive display. And with high-quality visuals, you'll want high-quality sound to match. Galaxy Z Fold 3's stereo speakers deliver multi-dimensional sound with incredible spatial effects. So no matter where you are, you'll feel like you're at the center of the action. This large display is amazing, so you can take full advantage of Galaxy Z Fold 3's unique form factor. We've enhanced how you experience your apps. Let's take something you do every day, like texting your friends. Before, you had to close one chat to open another. Now, it's optimized for the large screen, like a tablet. See how the chat list pops up on the left and your messages appear on the right. You're seeing everything at the same time. It's easy to read and use your apps, including your calendar. Before, the menu disrupted your view. Now, the menu takes up less room on your screen, so you can take advantage of all that new space, whether you're switching views, opening new tabs, or keeping track of your events. Planning your week has never been this easy. With the Z Fold 3, you'll be able to do so much more than you could on a regular smartphone. This foldable puts new possibilities at your fingertips. Once you've experienced its large display, you won't want to go back. And we've been collaborating with our partners to bring you more intuitive experiences on this larger screen. With the Z Fold 3, multitasking is effortless, thanks to the taskbar. Pin your favorite apps to it for quick access, just like you would on your PC. You can even use it to open multiple apps without returning to the home screen. And with your recently used apps right there, it's more convenient than ever to switch between them. Imagine you're watching your favorite YouTuber and you see something you'd like to buy. On a standard smartphone, you'd have to close your video to start shopping in a separate window. With Z Fold 3, you can unfold a better shopping experience right on the main display. Pull up the brand site and shop easily while still watching YouTube. And if you want to check out other options before making a purchase, you can split your browser and pull up another window. That's a truly great experience, and you shouldn't settle for anything less. The Z Fold 3 unfolds to maximize your productivity. Just imagine, you're in a cab when you get an urgent message from your coworker asking for your help right now. You can open up the file you received directly from the Teams chat, and then just drag and drop the Microsoft Office app from your taskbar to open the other file you need. This multi-instant capability makes it effortless to work off 2 documents. It's easy to copy and paste between your files, move your data, and finish up all your work. That's a PC-like experience that fits in your pocket. Microsoft is just one of the partners we're working with to enhance your Z Fold 3. We consistently pursue partnerships that bring you incredible experiences. So we're teaming up with third-party app services to make your favorite apps easier to use on your foldable. Just look at all our partners. We've collaborated with so many, and that includes some of your favorite apps, Spotify, YouTube, and TikTok, which now provide more diverse and optimized experiences. Our world-class engineers and developers have been working hard to bring advanced technology to your Z Fold 3. To hear about the groundbreaking changes we've made to your foldable display, please welcome the head of our flagship R&D team, Dr. Won Jun Choi.
Thanks, Connor. At Samsung, we work tirelessly to give you meaningful technology. We created our first foldables to revolutionize your smartphone experience. And now, as leaders in this category, we continue to build on our achievements to give you even more open experiences. Our consumers are at the center of everything we do. We seek out the experiences you want most and strive to bring them to life. And today, we are proud to unveil 2 new breakthroughs for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that consumers have been asking for. These are meaningful innovations that will enhance your entire foldable experience.
Across the industry, people have come to expect reliable water resistance from their smartphones. So naturally, it was also expected on our Fold. But making the Fold water resistant wasn't easy. Unlike bar-type smartphones, the Fold is made of 3 parts, 2 bodies and a hinge. The bodies can be protected from water using the same method as a standard smartphone, but protecting the hinge was a unique challenge. Every time the Fold is opened or closed, water can seep in and cause damage. Our designers and engineers used corrosion-resistant material finished with long-lasting grease to protect the hinge from rusting or corroding. Then, to protect the main board from shorting out due to water, we use rubber and CIPG. These materials seal the gap between the connecting ends of the flexible printed circuit board, shielding critical parts that are vulnerable to water exposure.
Yes, with these solutions, our latest Galaxy Z series is water resistant. However,
Our Fold users wanted more.
an S Pen.
That would let them take full advantage of the Fold's spacious screen. But bringing the S Pen to the Z Fold 3 required some serious innovation. The S Pen experience actually starts with the display. The digitizer inside the display works with the S Pen to create EMR, or electromagnetic resonance, which detects the coordinates of what you're writing or drawing and shows it on screen. EMR S Pen technology for hard displays has been around for more than 10 years. But positioning a digitizer under a flexible screen posed an entirely new challenge, as it could be damaged from folding and unfolding over time. Our developers researched and experimented for years to to create a digitizer for the Fold, building prototype after prototype. But it wasn't easy. To create a truly exceptional Fold and S Pen experience, our developers needed to think outside the box. Finally, we came up with a revolutionary solution. Instead of looking for a way to increase the flexibility of the folding area of the digitizer, our developers decided to use separate digitizers on each side of the folding area. Working together with Wacom, we developed a way to connect two separate digitizers so that they operate as a single panel. To support this new form, a new algorithm was created to calculate signals from both digitizers, so they could recognize coordinates in the folding area while minimizing errors. Through meticulous craftsmanship and research, we were able to create the first ever digitizer for a foldable display, compatible with an S Pen. But the digitizer is only half the story. We needed to develop an S Pen that is safe to use with our flexible display. The S Pen Fold Edition is designed with a new rubber nib that's rounded and soft to the touch. We also added an internal spring to act as a shock absorber, automatically reacting to pen pressure. So it smooths and softens any excessive pressure on the tip of the pen. We also increased the display's responsiveness to the S Pen by 40% to give consumers a smooth and steady handwriting experience. Consumers can work and play in all new ways, thanks to the S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, like taking notes while watching a video or writing in your diary. We also partnered with Microsoft to make it easier to collaborate on projects with classmates and colleagues. In Microsoft Teams, users can enjoy video calls and share documents easily. And now, with the virtual whiteboard designed for the Fold and the S Pen, they can brainstorm, share, and develop ideas. The drive and dedication of Samsung's engineers make these enhancements to the foldable experience possible. And our community of consumers keeps the experience evolving.
You, our consumers, inspire us to continue to challenge the limits of technology. With the addition of the S Pen to the Fold series, we have introduced a whole new way of taking advantage of the Z Fold 3's larger display. And we have worked tirelessly to ensure that the experiences you love and rely on regular smartphones carry over to our foldables, water resistance and increased durability being key. Both the Fold 3 and Flip 3 have an IPX8 water resistance rating. That means they are protected from everyday water damage. It's a first for foldable smartphones, and we are proud to be able to deliver that to you. The main dynamic displays on both the Fold and Flip are strong and durable. By redesigning the layer structure and using a new protective film made out of PET, a sturdy yet flexible material, we are able to increase durability of our flexible displays by about 80%. When closed, the outer body is protected from everyday scratches with a Gorilla Glass Victus, our toughest glass yet. All this is protected by our strongest aluminum frame yet, Armor Aluminum. It's lightweight, so it keeps your phone safe without weighing it down. Our research and development team worked hard to improve the technology and enhance the durability of your Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3. We have made them to last, inside and out, so you can use them whenever and however you like, to open up your world and keep it open to more possibilities than ever before. Now, let's see them in action.